Hello all. Now we are going to do managing deployments using Kubernetes lab now. Okay, in this lab, now open that lab in the incognito mode. Hope you already know about that. How to open the lab in the incognito mode. After opening that, click on agree and continue. After clicking on agree and continue, now you just click on that on the top right hand side where you can see the cloud shell which is grayed out. Okay, now you can see that cloud shell. After opening the cloud shell, click on that authorize. After clicking the authorize, okay, now to go to GitHub. Okay, in the GitHub, just click that export zone command. Okay, now enter here export zone. Now we need to enter the zone here. Okay, go to lab. Okay, now do one thing, just scroll a bit. If you can't find, just try to do uh, press the control F to find the zone. Okay, control F and enter zone. You'll get the zone. See, you can see the zone as US West 1 B as the zone. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to paste over here that zone, enter. Now we need to go back to the GitHub, copy the second command, now paste over here. Okay, now we need to wait for some time. Okay, because it needs to, that zone needs to allocate for that project. After allocating the zone, now it needs to verify the compute zone. Now it's automatically creates the Kubernetes configuration files. Okay, from that command only everything is going to create. Okay, after creating after getting the files, it will open the GKE cluster. Okay, it will create the GKE cluster. After creating the cluster, then it will create the nodes. Okay, hope you already know about the nodes. After creating the nodes, it start working, the Kubernetes cluster will work. Okay, just kindly wait for some time. Wait for some more time. Make sure you won't get disconnected. Okay, after some time you'll get this task 3 yes or no. Just click yes by typing y. After that it will get deployed. Okay, now task 5 is going to come finished. Okay, now you can see that all tasks are completed successfully. That's it, the lab got finished now. Okay, now go back to the lab. Now on top of that, click that score. On the score, click on check my progress. Now click on that remaining. Yeah, that's it, 100 out of 100. Hope you guys will like my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay, I'll definitely help you out with this all arcade labs. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Yeah, thank you. See, in this arcade lab we have finished. In the previous video I have already uploaded the video of collect metrics, and now this is the video for manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud. Okay, and also you can claim the Google skill badge. Okay, Google skill badge. Okay, if you have a doubt, ask in a comment. You will get the skill badge also. You will get the uh, credits for that.